Welcome to another Pursuing Travel with the Millers Food Travel. Today we're going to stick pretty close to home for me and for a food that I really enjoy, and that's Tex-Mex. Tex-Mex has a long history that goes back to Native Americans and Spanish. The Native Americans, with their different spices and styles of cooking, like a lot of things in Texas, mixed. So it's kind of a mixture of Mexican, Spanish style cooking with the native tribes. And this occurred a lot during the Mission period. This all occurred during the 15, 16, and 1700s in Texas, which was then Spain and then Mexico. Afterwards, we headed to the Rio Grande, where, because it's a border region, Tex-Mex started to begin and then went up to San Antonio. One of the more famous Tex-Mex restaurants is Casa Rio, with its colorful umbrellas. Now let's get to the food itself. Tex-Mex is almost always served with complimentary chips and salsa, and it varies from restaurant to restaurant. Yellow cheese is a staple of Tex-Mex cooking that differs from Mexican cooking, which is usually queso fresco or white cheese. You can see it on enchiladas, tamales, like you see here. There's also different kind of beans in Tex-Mex cooking, like refried beans on the right, or charro beans on the left. That's kind of like a soup. Another staple of Tex-Mex cooking is sizzling fajitas. They're always tasty. You can get beef or chicken. And there's always tortillas, flour usually in Tex-Mex cooking, and then a lot of fixings that you can put on there, including pico de gallo, sour cream, and other items. In Tex-Mex restaurants, like some of our favorites in the area, like Casa Ole or Gringos, you can see that they're decorated like you're in a out-of-the-way Mexican village, and some even offer free ice cream. Every Texan has their favorite Tex-Mex restaurant, and it's as competitive as barbecue. But it's not just in Texas that you can find Tex-Mex nowadays. You can find it all over the world. I've seen through my travels coming across Tex-Mex restaurants. One of them happened to be the Texas Longhorn, right in the historical city center of Stockholm. We took a look. We didn't get to eat there, but we took a look at the steaks, but also nachos and different Tex-Mex kind of items. We did try Tex-Mex in Argentina, where they had the yellow queso and things on a chicken dish, but wasn't quite Tex-Mex, as they have a little less spice to their cooking in Argentina compared to what we're used to. As always, thanks for watching. Visit our website and subscribe if you like this content.